that it's, like in this case specifically, that it could work out very well. I like our 303 fill. Contracts are at 301 right now. Okay, now 303 with that little move up, but yeah, AMD went quick. That moved super, super quickly. Alright, well if AMD comes back, we're going to get filled on those contracts. What I'm going to do for Tesla, we're going to try and extend this a little bit more. Let's do all the way here to 218.71. Ooh, TP1's about to hit. And then let's bring this down. So we'll bring TP2 down. Okay, I'm going to try and get filled for some profits here. Got them filled at 318. First batch filled at 318. That's 4 out of 10 contracts. They're at 320 now. 323, 325. Nice, nice. Very, very good move. That was all in one candle. Very good. So we've basically gotten ourselves above here. I'd like for this to still close above like 217.45 would be nice. It's hopefully going to reject here. We'll see. What's AMD doing? Not coming down. We probably won't be trading AMD. That, I mean, this would have been perfect, right? Because it was a pretty perfect setup. We just couldn't get filled on that. Played it a little too conservatively. This I like a lot. If it can close above our TP1, sorry, line, that would be great because it does represent support from over there. 328 on contracts now. 330, 335, awesome. TP2 is gonna hit probably, hopefully, within the next couple of candles, right? I was thinking it could with this one, but that would have been a lot to ask. AMD is really moving now. Yeah, so we are definitely seeing a reversal. SPY's moving a little bit from being down like 2.17%, something like that. Ooh, that was a good open. We'll see if we can wick back up. Alright, nice. Good moves. Okay. TP2 filled at 335, and one contract is trying to get filled at 338. Okay, not bad. Average was 335 there. I'll take it for sure. So 3 green candles we got going. And he's still going up, jeez. Alright, what's SPY doing? I'd be very surprised if SPY didn't just keep going up from this point. He rarely closes down 2%. I'd be very surprised. So that'll probably boost Tesla if it can come up. American Airlines started moving back up again. Lucid's at the same spot. We got Rivian coming up. That's pretty much it. What's PayPal doing? Wow. So after TP2, we could get stopped out at break even with PayPal shares. I would not be mad at all, to be honest, because there's better stocks to be putting that money in right around now. UPS, Starbucks, Disney, American Airlines, of course, and Volkswagen all look good. NEO is one that, like, after getting stopped out, I'm really considering just getting back in. The cool thing here was we took, what, like $70 of profit very quickly within the first week. So I like NEO. I think if we get another 100 shares, sell calls on those. Okay, Tesla's really moving now. Contracts are at 350. We just have 2 contracts left for the stop loss at break even. We can't lose money on the trade, but we got like very quick moves up, so I don't know, I'd be surprised if it goes and hits TP3 now like immediately, but I am definitely hoping it does that. Tesla's just down so much on the day. These are like crazy big moves though, if you think about it. On a normal day, Tesla isn't going from, let's say like 217 here to almost 219 within the literally 5 minutes. Like that's not heard of. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit on one more contract right now. I'm gonna see if I can get filled. Contracts are at 348 right now, so I'm gonna just sell one more, and then what I'm gonna do is lower this a little bit, see if we can get like a 353 fill on the last contract, because this is definitely good enough for me, and really putting it into perspective of it moving $3 within what, like 5 or 6 minutes is really making me think, wow, we've already made a ton of profit on these contracts. Might as well, like, we're already up $50 per contract. Might as well scale out heavily now. And I was being a little generous even with TP1 at 318. So, okay, 348 was our latest one. Then we're trying to see like 353. Let's see if we get that. SPY is still down over 2% on the day. But that's coming up for sure. Nice, that's gonna help Tesla for sure. Okay, I don't like this close at all. We could get stopped out at break even if it comes all the way down. This is a pretty bearish move to me, closing below kind of breaking structure. If it closes below TP2, in that case, it just doesn't really look bullish at that point. We'll wait and see what happens. I don't want to sell just yet. We could get a bounce off. Okay, there, perfect, just like that. So contracts are back to 345. Awesome. Okay, I want to get filled for this last contract. Wow, it's moving. I'm gonna wait 1 second before selling. I think it's gonna. Awesome. Okay, I'm gonna sell right now. 363, 365. Got filled at 365. Not bad at all. Let's extend this to where I got that last one filled at. Nice. Okay. So that's $63 per contract at the peak. I'm super happy with that trade. As a little recap, we basically just entered because on the 5-minute and 15-minute, we saw this very nice zone where when it closed above, multiple times we saw moves to the upside. If we look at the 15-minute, it looks even better on this zone because, yeah, we had this massive gap down, but from this zone we really see a bunch of moves. So we got in on the retest. It was only there for like a minute or two. I'm very satisfied with this trade, and then we just extended this with how quick that last little move was to the upside. So very happy. I think I'm going to call it a day. I mean, market's about to close anyways. We went 2 for 2 on day trades, the first one being SPY earlier today. That was a very quick one. And all 3 TPs were hit on both trades, so very successful trading day. If you guys are watching this on YouTube, I take all these trades live in my Discord, so please join the server. I'd say it's definitely worth joining for trades like these that we take live. You get access to all my fills and like things I'm looking to invest in as well. With that being said, thank you guys very much for joining the live session. Thank you, of course, for watching this video. Please like and subscribe so we can get monetized, and have a great rest of your day.